How to fix Telegram not sending code. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix Telegram not sending code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if the Telegram application is not sending you code for your Telegram account and maybe you're trying to log in on a new device, now sometimes what happens is that whenever you're trying to log in and then you tap and start messaging, you enter your phone number, hit the arrow icon, you might be expecting the SMS to be delivered on your messaging app on your phone, but that's not always the case, because sometimes what happens is that Telegram will send the code to the previous device where your account was logged in, and they will send it in the Telegram app, not in the message app. So if your Telegram account is still logged in on your desktop or maybe your computer, you're going to receive the verification code over there. Otherwise you have to simply look for the tap via SMS option there, and then you should be able to get it via the SMS. If you're still not getting it, do not try from the same page again and again. What I want you to do is I want you to simply go ahead and uninstall the Telegram app and reinstall it again to see if that helps you solve the problem. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.